Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. So today I want to show you how you can claim just 12 Shaki token. Just 12 Shaki token. And before I go to that, I quickly want to show you guys how you can buy Binance and BNB on Binance and also send it to Trust Wallet, because I got a report about the person that lost about $4,000 because it sent to a wrong BNB wallet address. Okay, so this is BNB. Make sure that your BNB has been verified, and if you are just buying little amount of BNB, you don't need to be verified. Okay, I mean the card verification and means of ID card verification. In case if you have issue with that, you can still buy $10, $20, $50. You can still be doing that transaction and send to Trust Wallet. Okay, and I want you to know on this video that all the airdrop that I might bring to my YouTube channel is legit. I have done my research. They will hit the market. All right, I have done the research. They will surely hit the market, though there might be a little delay before they hit the market, but they will surely hit the market. I don't just bring any junks airdrop to my channel. If I want to be doing that, I can be bringing 10 airdrops every day, but I take my time to do my research very well to see which one is good, which one that will hit the market. All right, so I don't bring scam, because some people message me that, am I sure that all these airdrop are not scam? No, I don't bring scam airdrop to my channel at all. They are legit, okay? All right, they are legit. So now, if you want to buy your Binance, because some people are asking me if I can sell Binance BNB to them. I don't sell BNB, all right? I don't sell BNB. So you can easily buy on Binance as little as 1,000 Naira BNB. You can buy it on Binance right here. So what you're going to do, but it's just that before you can buy on P2P, you can buy it on P2P, but you can buy on P2P, you need to, be verified. But if your Binance account is not verified, I can help you by just sending the money that you want to buy. All right, and I buy it for you on via P2P, and I will send it to your Trust Wallet. Okay, so now, but if your account excuse me, if your account has been verified and you know that you can buy via P2P, you can easily go right here. So once you log on to this thing, you can see that we have P2P trading, and if you do not see this, you will see trading right here. So you can easily click on trade. Okay, when you click on trade, you're going to see P2P right here. Then click on P2P. Okay, when you click on P2P, you just come to this place. In case if this place is not on Naira NGN, you can just go right there and type Naira NGN. So make sure that it's in Naira. Then this place is going to be under buy, because you want to buy, right? Then you're going to choose BNB right here. Okay, choose BNB. So you can, as you can see that. So you can see some people that want to sell as low as 1,000 Naira, 1,000 Naira. So you can buy any amount. For example, if you want to buy like 3,000 Naira, you just click on buy. You just need to click on buy. All right, can you see that? You just click on buy, then you type 3,000 Naira. That is the amount that you want to buy. Then you click on buy right here. Once you do that, the next place you're going to see a payment page. So click on that payment page. Once you click on payment page, you see account of this seller, right? Once you see account of this seller, all you need to do is just to transfer from your home bank to this guy's account. Once you transfer to his account, then come back to Binance and click on transferred. You will see transferred next. It will be clickable in the yellow button. So you just click on it. Then automatically, this guy is going to credit you your Binance BNB token, or BNB coin. All right. So once you send your BNB coin, so then the next thing you're going to do is just to come to wallet right here. Once you get to wallet, then you see transfer, right? Once you see transfer, all you need to do is just to click on transfer. So you want to send all the way. You need to click on this. So you want to send from funding. It might be funding. It might be, there is a drop down button there. It might be funding. It might be, as you can see. So it might be funding. It might be, you can see it's I mark funding. It might be P2P. Either one of them, just choose it. So we want to transfer it to Spot Wallet. So once it's transferred, then you choose the BNB right here. That I want to send the BNB. Then you come to this place. You click on Max. Okay. Once you click on Max, then you see confirm transfer. Then it will automatically go to the Spot Wallet, because if you do not transfer it from funding wallet to Spot Wallet, you won't able to send it from Binance to Trust Wallet, right? So once everything is now on Trust Wallet, then the next thing you're going to do right here is just to go to your Trust Wallet. Go to your Trust Wallet. Then when you get to your Trust Wallet, then look for Smart Chain. This is the Smart Chain, right? So click on Smart Chain. Once you click on Smart Chain, you're going to click on Receive right here. You're going to see Receive, then click on Receive. Then you're going to see Copy. That is the wallet address right here. Then you're not going to click on Copy. Then you go back to your Binance, right? Then when you get to Binance, you're going to click on Withdraw, all right? So when you click on Withdraw, you're going to choose BNB. You're going to choose BNB because you are transferring BNB, right? Then you're going to type, I'm going to paste the wallet that you copy from Trust Wallet. You're going to paste it right here. Okay, me, I'm using, so I've already okay, this is it. Confirm. There, rather, let me just see in simple time. It has been saved, all right? So I cannot just paste anything. It has been saved on my, where I normally go. It has been saved right here. Then the network, that is where the problem is. Some people are making mistake on the network, like the other guy that lost his $4,000. I think I just sent to normal Binance stuff. So you're going to click on this place. You're going to see two things there, right? You're going to see Binance Chain BEP2. You're going to see Binance Smart Chain BEP20. So you're going to choose Binance Smart Chain BEP20. That is, if you are sending to Trust Wallet, that is what we're going to choose. If you choose this one, you are going to lose that fund. You will not see that fund again. And it won't be retrieved. You cannot retrieve it, right? So you're going to choose the second one right here, Binance Smart Chain BEP20. That is what you're going to choose, right? So once you do that, then you see, you can type the amount that you want to send right here. Then you send it to Trust Wallet. So that is how to do that. It's very, very simple, right? It's very, very simple. Okay, so now let's now go to the business of the day, right? Let's go to the business of the day. So on the business of the day, so you want to click claim Shaki free airdrop token. That is what you want to claim right here today. Shaki, okay, Shaki token, right? So then you're gonna copy that link. This is the airdrop link, right? Airdrop link. So then you come to the Smart Chain. So make sure that you have some fund in your Trust Wallet. That is BNB. Now you're gonna come to DApp, right? You're gonna come to DApp. So then you paste it right here. Okay, you paste the link right here. Excuse me. All right, you can see that it's loading. So this is Shaki network airdrop. Then after it has been loading like that, you can see the Ethereum logo. You're gonna change it. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna click on Smart Chain. You're gonna choose Smart Chain because we are using Smart Chain to claim, because you're gonna pay transaction fee to Trust Wallet, right? The token is actually free, but we're gonna pay a transaction fee for us to receive it on Trust Wallet. Then what you're gonna do next is, okay, let's just go through little things about this. So this is Shaki network. So this Shaki network is gonna be listing at the rate of $3, right? Then in the next 64 days, this airdrop is gonna end. Then the Shaki will appear on PancakeSwap. That is going to be still listed on PancakeSwap on January 1st, 2021. That's next year. Then what I'm going to do right here now is just to click on claim airdrop. Once you click on claim airdrop, you're going to see this. So you're going to see these guys want to give us 10 Shaki. That is when it gets launched. You're going to be for the first 100,000 people. So you have to be fast, right? You might have to be fast because it's not everybody, it's not unlimited stuff. So you have to be fast to claim your 10 airdrop. So all you're going to do is just click on this, right? Then you're going to click on connect. So when you click on connect, so you can see that it's loading. It's loading. All right, so it's loading now. As you can see right here now, I'm gonna pay $1.43 to as a transaction fee, right? So what we're gonna do right here is just to click on approve right here. So it's loading, okay, right? So now I'm gonna get a notification that the transaction has been done successfully. But while we are waiting for the notification, right? So you're gonna copy the contract address. So I was so sorry. The contract address I gave you guys yesterday was a little bit wrong. I'm so sorry about that. I actually corrected this later. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. So this is the contract address I'm going to copy. So this is the contract address. So you are going to see this under under the description of this video. Then if you are in my group, you are going to see it in the group as well. I'm going to post everything like this in the group, right? So now I'm going to copy the contract address. Then I'm going to copy it. You're going to come back to Trust Wallet right here. As you can see, we got a notification right here. We got a notification right here that the execution, it has been executed. Then next thing you're going to do for this coin to be happier, I think some people are making mistake as well right here. After you have done the payment, you have to copy the contract address, right? You have to copy the contract. This is the contract address. This is the contract address. So you have to copy this contract address, because if it doesn't do that, it won't appear on your Trust Wallet, right? Then you're gonna come down to this place. Then you're gonna go back home, click on wallet right here, click on wallet right there. Then when you click on wallet, then you're gonna you make everything back home, right? So then you are back home. Then you see two lines right here. You're gonna click on it. When you click on that two lines, then you're gonna scroll down till you see add custom token, right? I'm going to click on add custom token. Then you're going to change this Ethereum to smart chain. I'm going to change it to smart chain, right? Then you're going to paste the contract address. You're going to paste it right here. Then the system will populate like this Shaki network, right? Then you're going to come to this place and click on done. This thing is very simple. So there is no anything like scam right here. It don't just charge you without giving you the token, right? So as you can see, the token has been credited, just 10 Shaki. Okay, and remember, these guys want to give it out to 100 people. All right, so I advise you to quickly, claim yours before they stop giving out the free token. And as you can see, that the token is going to be listed at $3, right? When it gets listed on Pancake Swap, it's going to be $3, right? Let's check it. So it's going to be $3. So by the time we multiply 3 multiplied by 10, that's $30. If you like, by then, when you get like my, so that is how this thing works. All right, so we don't pay for us to get this coin. Some people actually paying to buy them if they want to buy more, but me, I'm not interested in buying. I just want to secure the little that they can give. All right, so as you can see, if you can on this airdrop, you can claim it like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times if you like. All right, so that is how the airdrop works. You don't need to buy coin, you just need to you pay token to receive to Trust Wallet and get free airdrop. All right, and that is why we have been doing all this. So thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, please, I want you to click on subscription button, click on the notification bell as well, so that whenever we drop a content like this, you'll be one of those people that YouTube is gonna notify that Adeyemi just dropped new content on his channel. Thank you very much. I remain yours. I always appreciate you for watching my video, and also I want to be sharing my video to your friends and family. Then about the so I want to make it big so that I can cover view more people, because I announced a giveaway yesterday, but I can see that I did not give a proper way that people will use to to claim this giveaway. So what you do right here, if you watch this video to the end like this, what you're going to do is just to paste the first 20 people that comment with their Tron Trust wallet. They're going to get the 2 Tron token, Tron coin from me. All right, 20 people that comment with like this video, subscribe, and comment under this video. Just comment your Tron wallet. All right, so you're gonna get free Tron from me. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi.